Hi, my name's Molly Hennekam, and I work for the University of Adelaide's Unmanned Research Aircraft Facility. We're the university's drone hub, and we use these technologies for a range of applications, from conservation to agriculture to everything in between. As an ecologist myself, I often use this technology for applications in wildlife monitoring and management. An example of one of these is when we're surveying a population and we want to identify the number of individuals within a group. One technique we can use to do this is by attaching a thermal sensor to the bottom of a drone and surveying that group from the air. To be able to optimize the imagery we're capturing with this thermal sensor, we want to have the greatest temperature difference between the hot animals we're focusing on, such as a koala or kangaroo, and the cool surrounding vegetation to ensure our animals stand out in the imagery we're collecting. The way we can do this is by capturing imagery at the time of day that this vegetation is at its coolest. That means we're often up before sunrise to collect imagery at around 4 a.m, which means a lot of coffee is drunk by our researchers, but it's worth it for the results we're able to achieve. Our hope is that this technology can contribute to improving conservation management strategies and overall assist in creating positive outcomes for the animals that we're researching. We're really excited by this technology and hope that you are too.